Hello everyone, in today's video I will show you how to delete all posts in Facebook. Let's get started. First, open the Facebook. Once the Facebook app is opened, click on the bottom right menu option. After this, click on See Your Profile button. Then click on three dots button. After this, click on Activity Log. Once you are in Activity Log, click on Manage Post button. After this, click on Filters. Then click on Categories. Then click on your post, check-ins, photos and videos. After this, you can select one or select as many as you want. If you want to delete them, click on Recycle Bin and then click on Move to Trash. If you want to delete all of them, click on the All button and all of them will be selected. If you want to delete them, click on Recycle Bin and then click on Move to Trash. And that's how you delete all your posts in Facebook. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tutorials. Thanks for watching.